Top 5 routines to calm overthinking in minutes. Are you someone who always overthinks, struggles to sleep, or finds it hard to quiet your mind? It's exhausting when your thoughts won't stop, and it can feel like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle. But what if you could calm that overthinking in just a few minutes? In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple routines you can use to stop overthinking, clear your mind, and feel more balanced. Let's dive in. 1. Practice deep breathing. One of the quickest ways to calm your mind is through deep breathing. When you feel your thoughts spiraling, taking a few moments to focus on your breath can help activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which naturally calms your body and reduces stress. Here's a technique you can try right now called the 4-7-8 breathing method. It's simple but super effective. First, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, then hold your breath for 7 seconds. Finally, exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times, and you'll likely notice a significant decrease in anxiety and overthinking. Breathing exercises like this help to slow your heart rate and give your mind a break, so you can come back to your thoughts with a fresh perspective. It's like a quick reset button for your brain. 2. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Another great technique to break the cycle of overthinking is the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method. This mindfulness exercise engages your senses and pulls your attention away from your racing thoughts to the present moment. To do this, start by identifying 5 things you can see around you, whether it's a chair, a picture, or the view outside. Then, acknowledge 4 things you can feel or touch, maybe the fabric of your clothes or the texture of your phone. Next, name 3 things you can hear, like the sound of traffic or birds outside. After that, point out 2 things you can smell, even if it's just a fragrance you enjoy. Finally, note 1 thing you can taste, even if it's just imagining the taste of something you like. This method brings you back to the present moment and interrupts the overthinking cycle by shifting your focus to the physical world around you. It's a quick, easy way to ground yourself when your mind starts to race. 3. Physically interrupt your thoughts. Sometimes, the best way to stop overthinking is to physically interrupt your thoughts. A quick movement can reset your brain and break the thought loop. You don't need to do anything complicated, just stand up and do something physical. You could try doing 10 jumping jacks or a few push-ups, or even splash cold water on your face. If possible, move to a different room to change your environment. This physical shift helps release endorphins, which are the feel-good chemicals in your brain, and it redirects your focus away from the negative thoughts. A change in physical activity helps to refresh your mind and body, breaking the cycle of overthinking. You'll feel more energized and ready to approach your thoughts with a clearer mindset. 4. Write down your thoughts, journaling. If overthinking is taking up space in your mind, sometimes the best thing to do is to write it all down. Journaling helps clear out all those swirling thoughts and puts them on paper where you can look at them objectively. When overthinking kicks in, grab a notebook and start writing about the thoughts that are running through your mind. Identify the specific worries or scenarios causing stress. Then challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself, is this worry really that important? Can I take action to address it? This helps transform overwhelming thoughts into clear, manageable actions. By putting your thoughts on paper, you not only declutter your mind, but you also create a space for solutions. Journaling offers a sense of control and helps you see the bigger picture, moving you from worry to action. 5. Shift perspective with the time machine exercise. Overthinking often feels worse when we're stuck in the moment, making a small issue feel like a big crisis. But what if you could fast forward in time to gain a new perspective? This brings us to the time machine exercise. It's a cognitive technique that helps put your worries into perspective. Start by imagining yourself 1 month in the future. Ask yourself, will this worry matter then? Often, the answer is no. Now, try imagining yourself 1 year in the future. Will this still be a concern? In most cases, it won't. This exercise helps you see that many of the things you're overthinking right now won't matter in the long run. It helps you zoom out and put things into context, allowing you to release the anxiety surrounding them. Shifting your perspective like this can give you a sense of peace and help you let go of the worries holding you back. So, there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful routines to help you calm overthinking in minutes. Whether it's deep breathing, grounding techniques, physical movement, journaling, or shifting your perspective, these methods will help you regain control of your thoughts and bring balance back into your life. If you found these techniques helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe to my channel for more practical ways to improve your mental well-being. See you in the next video.